Yeah, we're in Summerfield today, but we have 4 more of these units all throughout Florida. Check out this adorable neighborhood over here. The neighbors got a auxiliary unit over there. Looks like a mother-in-law suite. We got some doggies across the street. Jeff, our driveway man, he laid out this beautiful lime rock driveway on both homes. Again, folks, I mentioned we have 6 of these total all throughout the Florida area. It's going to be a Clayton home model. They knocked it out of the park on this one, folks. I'm so excited to show y'all the inside. And let's check out how Safe IRA can help any direct buyers. We're looking at a no money down situation, $199 a month, 5 bedrooms, 3 bath, 24 32 square feet. All are about an acre plus. Call us over at 941-350-6483. Ask for no money down Marv. Making dreams come true out here. So yeah, the climber driveway comes all the way up. Again, folks, this is a long construction process, but we're making it happen quick. We got an amazing team. Septic's already in, wells in, driveways in. We're just missing sod skirting and then a little punch list in the inside. As we go along in the construction process, I will upload more and more. But ultimately, whichever area you're looking at, all of the homes are the same in the inside. Okay? So here we are, guys. Clayton home knocked out of the park. Look at this gorgeous view over here. We had our gentleman that clears our lots for us, Jeff. Hi. He left everybody a beautiful little tree line over there for some privacy. Maybe family buys both units and kumbaya. So here we are, welcomed by this gorgeous open floor plan over here. Oh my gosh, can't boast enough. Clayton home knocked it out of the park. Slider over here. That's the rest of your 1 acre here for the Summerfield area. We have these in Dunellen, Bronson area, Williston. Look at that kitchen over here, folks. Wow. Thank you, Clayton. Brand new appliances, folks. Brand new fridge. I might get lost over there. This home is huge. All right, we got a little laundry area over here. Extra shelving, another door leading out. Electrical panel right there. Laundry unit over here. Holy smokes. So this brings us back into the open floor plan kitchen area over here. Oh my God, I can't get enough of this house. I don't even know where to start. So let's go back on this end of the house over here. So this is going to be the master ensuite over here. It's a split bedroom floor plan. So if a family ends up over here, you get some privacy. And then here's that huge master bathroom. Whoa, 2 sinks there. Huge walk-in shower. And then over here we're gonna have the toilet area and then the closet. Apologies for the darkness here, guys. Doing my best. We're gonna have electricity up here soon. Power team guys are amazing on their turnaround time. Let's go back through here. So again, I'm walking through 2432 square feet. Holy smokes. The design team over at Clayton, they did an amazing job setting up this home's floor plan. Again, 5 bedrooms. So we walked into the 5th one back there. We'll consider that one. Over here, they have an extra set of bedrooms. So we have one over here. It's gonna be an office, looking out to nature, recharge, get some sunlight. It's got its own closet. And then back over here, you have a common area over here. And then we have another bedroom over here. Look at that. More natural sunlight coming into this room. Okay. And then over here, you got a little hallway that's got a shared bathroom. Look at that, man. Clayton just knocked it out of the park. Walk-in shower over there, bathroom, extra door for privacy. Okay, and this is the end of the home over here. But then we have another bedroom over here that's shared with that bathroom over there. And this one has plenty of closet space here as well. Look at that. Awesome, awesome. And going back out here to the main hallway. And I think I haven't covered this one yet. Huge house, 2042 square feet, 1+ acre worth of land. It's got another closet over here. Again, no money down Marv. And no money down Marv is talking. There we go. USD area. It's zoned agriculture, so you can do whatever the heck you want out here. Like I mentioned, the neighbor's got an auxiliary unit over there for a mother-in-law suite. Maybe somebody gets a little crazy and buys both of these units out here so they could have a little village. There's our other one over there. Again, same in the inside. All of our homes for the brand new Clayton 5.3s are boasting 1 acre plus. Give us a call. This won't last. We can help you out with closing costs need be. And that's it, folks. Clayton Home, knocking out of the park. Brand new everything. Brand new well, brand new septic, brand new appliances, brand new home, brand new roof, brand new AC. Okay, reminder, this is a construction project. We're about a month and a half out. Just some final small touches. All right, folks? Appreciate checking us out, everybody. Marvin at Safe Fire Ray, 941-350-6483. Give us a call. Any more information will be in the description below. Take care, everybody. Thank you so much.